To use Do Not Disturb mode on the Realme C71, let me quickly show you how you can do this. So first of all, you will have to go for the settings and then go for the sounds and vibration. And right here you can find Do Not Disturb mode settings. So let's go in here, and first of all you can kind of set up all the options right here for your Do Not Disturb mode. So you can simply turn on Do Not Disturb mode with this switch right here, or you can also go for the quick settings, and right here you will be able to find the switch for Do Not Disturb. It is available right here. So with this one you can toggle the Do Not Disturb mode, and right here you can set up the duration for the Do Not Disturb mode, and you can set it up to until you turn off the Do Not Disturb mode. You can set it up for some in the specified hour right here, for some specified time, and you can also set up to ask every time you turn on the Do Not Disturb mode, so every time you will set up the duration time manually. So here you can set up this duration. Next you can set up the schedules. You can add some different schedules. You can set a name for these schedules and set time and repeat for these schedules, so you can pretty much nicely customize it. Right here you can also change the options of the current schedules right here, which are already made, and you can toggle them to turn them on and off. So this also gives you a very good customization over using this schedule mode, and I mean Do Not Disturb mode. And after that, after you set up all of these, you can set up exceptions. So basically exceptions for like people, applications, and some other stuff like alarms, some reminders, sounds, and other stuff. So when you will be using this Do Not Disturb mode, you can specify which people or which applications or whatever will actually be able to send you notifications, or like we will get these notifications from these like people and other stuff which you set it up. So you can go for the people first, and here you can set up who can interrupt you through the messages or through calls. And here you can select anything right here that you want. There's pretty much a lot of options to set. The same thing applies for these calls. So it's recommended to actually use these start contacts, so you can like set any contacts that you have in your contact list to the favorites, and here you will see which contacts actually these are right here, which can actually interrupt you. So alright, here are the people. Here you can set up exceptions for applications, and yeah, for example, you can set up the phone application and the, I don't know, messages application, and that's pretty much it. You can set up these exceptions for applications and some other stuff. And additionally, you can hide notifications. When Do Not Disturb mode is on, you can like completely turn off sounds for notifications. Like also you can set up no visuals or no sounds for notifications, and there's the custom option. You can set up the restrictions for the notifications, and that's pretty much it. Like this, you can set up your Do Not Disturb mode, and after you set it up however you like, you can use it with this button right here. And that's pretty much all that you have to know about the Do Not Disturb mode.